Have you ever noticed how some people walk into a room and instantly command respect? People listen to them, they trust them, people remember them. And it's not always about being the smartest person in the room, it's about something called presence or executive presence. In today's world, more than ever, this is the differentiator which distinguishes people who stay unnoticed from those who rise into leadership. And in this video, I will share exactly what executive presence is, why it matters, and few ways in which you can actually develop executive presence instantly. Hi, this is Lavi Sharma, life coach, pranic healer, and ex-IT director. And I believe that leadership is not always about position. It's about what energy you bring, your confidence, the clarity you have, and the ability to influence people positively. So let's begin. Number one, what is executive presence? Executive presence is the ability to inspire confidence in others. If you know how you communicate, how you carry yourself, how you respond under pressure, you are present, your presence, how it is impacting others, how people feel in your presence. So you see, it's the combination of gravitas, communication, and authentic confidence. And people with executive presence are perceived as leaders even before they receive the title. Number two, why executive presence matters? See, you may be highly skilled, hardworking, intelligent, but if people do not perceive you as leader, opportunities may pass by. So executive presence impacts promotions, influence, trust, visibility, and leadership opportunities. Not only that, more than that, in today's fast changing world, technical skills are not enough, because you see, like the world, technical skills are also fast changing these days. And number three, presence begins within. So same goes for executive presence. It's not acting powerful. It's feeling grounded within yourself. People can sense inner chaos or inner clarity. So when you are clear from inside, it will reflect outside in your personality. The more aligned you are in the present, you are internally, the stronger your external presence becomes. That's why self-awareness is the first step. Number four, learn to stay calm under pressure. One of the biggest qualities of strong leaders is what? It's emotional stability. See, everyone can react when something comes up, but it has already come up, right? So, when things are easy, you can stay calm. But leaders stand out during uncertainty. So, before you react, pause, respond thoughtfully, develop emotional resilience. Calmness actually creates authority. Because when you are calm, it shows that you have things under control, and that's what makes you leader. Number five, improve your communication. So, what's communication? Again, communication is not the language you speak, it includes your verbal, non-verbal cues. So, executive presence is deeply connected to communication, because when you are present, you speak clearly, you slow down, your presence indicates you avoid over explaining. Strong communicators do not rush to prove themselves. They communicate with clarity and intention. And remember, confidence is not loudness. Number six, your body language speaks first. So you maintain good posture. That shows your presence. You maintain eye contact, yeah, and then calm facial expressions and open body language. You are not closed like this, yeah. Your energy enters the room before your words do, and people can sense the energy. And number seven, you build authentic confidence, and from where that comes, it doesn't come from pretending, it comes from self trust. You know what you know, you don't know what you don't know, but you have intention to take things in control. You have intention to lead this project to success or whatever it is. So keep promises to yourself. That's what will increase your self trust. What you promise to yourself, and develop competence, honor your values. Authenticity is magnetic. See, especially values, that gives you power. People trust leaders who are real. So have those values for real. And number eight, listen more deeply. How many times we are just jumping into telling something, and even when we are listening to respond or react rather. Leaders listen to understand, what's really important, what's going on. So deep listening creates connection. Many times, 80% of the times, you do not have to speak. You have to first listen and understand what's going on. And that's where you build respect, influence. When people feel heard, they naturally trust your leadership more. And number nine, align your appearance and energy. So, appearance can be, you can make it, you can fake it, but it's not about expensive clothes, right? It's about intentional presentation, where you are inside, how grounded you are. So your appearance will automatically reflect that clarity, that intention, that perfectionism or professionalism. Not really perfectionism, you cannot be perfect, but that professionalism, self-respect, which is coming from that self-trust you have, that competency you have built, alignment with your role. See, whatever you do, you own it. How you present yourself impacts how others perceive you. So align your appearance with your energy. And number 10, again about energy. Leadership is energy. At the deepest level, executive presence is energetic. People remember how you made them feel. It's all about energy. How you made them feel, your steadiness, your strength, your resilience, your confidence, your clarity. So it's not about domination. It's about grounded influence, because you are grounded in what you believe in and what you are holding on to. And true presence comes when your thoughts, emotions, and words and actions, thoughts, emotions, words, and actions are aligned. So, if you really want to grow in your career, your business, your life, begin by strengthening your presence. Because opportunities often come to people who not only have capability, but also the presence to carry the responsibility. So, executive presence is not about becoming someone else, it's about revealing the leader within you, being grounded in who you are. So if this video resonated with you, comment below what does executive presence means to you. Like, share and subscribe for more content on leadership, presence, mindset and joyful growth. And if you want clarity in your leadership journey or your personal growth journey, you can book a free Design Your Life Clarity call through the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.